This tip will improve your drawing. Now, if you're using plain white paper, makes a lovely drawing. And this one here that I've drawn, this osprey, it looks really, it looks good, it's fine. But if you use a coloured background, you will give an opportunity for your drawing to look different and pop, and just give it that something a little extra in your drawing. These drawings I have done in a mini course in my teaching platform, and I go through the drawings step by step to demonstrate what a different product looks like, charcoal, and what different coloured backgrounds look like. I've done this one here on brown paper, which gives it another different look again. And then this one on blue Colourfix paper, which really makes the bird stand out, the osprey stand out. So that's just a little tip for you for making a different type of drawing than just your plain black and white on white cartridge paper.